delicious, gut-friendly sandwich made vegan, easy to make, it's delicious, you have got to try it. So, to get started, we're gonna have to select our bread. Now, I've gone for a ciabatta. Now, you can use any you like. You can use slices of bread, you can use sourdough bread. I've gone for ciabatta because they looked really good at the shop and I got a couple of those. I'm gonna slice those. You can toast them if you want. I am probably not going to toast it, but again, you can toast yours if you like. Now, I'm going to use half of avocado, and I'm going to show you a trick just in case you don't know how to properly cut an avocado. All you need to do is just go across like this, and then go all the way around. Boom. And that's it. You got a perfectly sliced open avocado, and now you can scoop it. I normally use a spoon to scoop the flesh, and I slice it up. Now, I need to add spread to my slices. On one side, I'm gonna add a pepper and tomato spread that I got from the grocery store. And on the other side, I'm gonna add homemade refried beans. I should share my homemade refried bean recipe. But I really like using refried beans on my sandwiches because they spread really nicely and adds an extra protein. Also, if you didn't know, beans are really good for your digestion. They contain a lot of fiber. Yes, they might make you a bit gassy, but you know, they keep you regular and they keep your digestive system healthy. And on my other slice, I'm gonna add some tomato and pepper spread that I got. You can use harissa, you can use whatever pepper, tomatoey spread you like. You can even use chili sauce, whatever you fancy. Now, you can add your green stuff. You can use lettuce. I'm gonna use spinach because spinach is amazing for your gut and digestion. It's high in fiber. It does wonders to your gut. So I'm gonna use spinach, but you can use any greenery you like. Alrighty, now I've got some sauerkraut. Sauerkraut, rich in probiotics, amazing for your gut. Definitely recommend getting yourself a jar. Now just make sure you drain the sauerkraut because you don't want the watery to run all over your sandwich. So I've made sure I drained it very well. Now I'm gonna lay out my slices of avocado on this side. Now sprinkle some salt and pepper if you like on the avocado. Now let's pop that on top. And there we have it. You can slice it in half now if you like. This is delicious, takes 5 minutes to do, incredibly healthy for your gut. It's gonna fill you up, perfect for lunch. Maybe get some side or whatever, like maybe some fruit on the side. And yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy it.